Hi, welcome to In the Community, a mini talk show where we explore different businesses in the community to share resources to bring fun and function into your home. And today we are venturing into Neenah, and we're going to check out this place called Relish and Roots. So let's go in and talk with Rhonda to learn more about what is Relish and Roots all about.
So at Relish and Roots, we are a locally sourced meal kit company. And what we do is we source through farmers and local vendors, and we put together meal kits that we prep and deliver to people's homes. We've been doing this for a little over 3 years, and we recently moved into our own space here in Neenah, which allows us to now have retail options available for people as well.
Okay, so meaning they could come in and like drop by to pick up food?
Absolutely. So we now have grab and go cooler with meal kits and then like some really fun lunch and snack items as well.
It sounds like you include a lot of vegetables and whole foods with preparing meals.
Yes. So we like to say that we are vegetable forward. We are not fully vegan or fully vegetarian, but we do put vegetables in the front of all of our recipes. So we'll often have an option of throwing in a tofu or throwing in a meat source if people want to add that to their meals. But we like to source from our farmers and get our veggies. That's where our health comes from.
How does this work? If someone wanted to buy meals, how does the process work?
The process is all online, so it's available to people 24/7, which is really nice with our busy lifestyles. Mm-hmm. People don't always have time to come into a business and make a purchase. So it's available online. Every week we offer 5 menu items. We ask people to choose a minimum of 3 of those items, and we prep them and drop them right off at your home. And if you don't want delivery, we now offer pickup. So when you receive your meal kits on delivery day, they will come in a bag, just like this, and everything is color-coded to match your recipe card. We portion, dice, slice, and mix all the sauces for you. Everything comes in these compostable containers, which is really a plus as well. These can go right into your recycling, or you can tear them up and put them in your compost bin in your backyard. We like to say that we make things simply good and give you real food.
That sounds like a really nice service. I'm
Yes.
thinking for someone who might be having a really busy schedule, because there's different busy seasons in life, but also someone who might have a harder time leaving the home and wants to be mindful about what they're eating and being more healthy.
Absolutely. We love to offer our service to people that are having everyday living situations, but we do promote ourselves as, hey, do you know a new mom that could have, use a little break, needs a little help? Do you have parents that are recently widowed or somebody who had a surgery? It's a great source within the community that just helps people continue to get good, healthy food to their table.
And what a nice gift as well.
Absolutely.
Do you do like gift certificates?
We do
Okay.
do gift certificates and gift cards, and just send us a message online, and we love to help people come up with ideas of how to put that together for someone.
So people can reach you by your website as well as by phone. And are you on social media?
We are on social media. We have a Facebook page, an Instagram page, and by the end of next week we'll actually be on TikTok.
Oh, great.
Yes, so we'll be having some fun Here's Rhonda Prepping in the Kitchen videos going up soon.
Oh, I love that. And we'll make sure we share their contact information with you in the show notes so you can reach out to them. Thanks so much for joining us in the community. In the Community is brought to you by Functional Living with April, a company servicing the Fox cities and surrounding area to bring fun and function into your home. We provide customized services to work together with you to create a more functional and supportive home, so you have more time to do the things you want to do, to truly live in your home. To find out more, check out our website and follow us on YouTube and Facebook. Thanks. We look forward to connecting with you. In the community to share resources about bringing fun and function into your home. And today we are going to be checking out a business in downtown Neenah. Welcome to In the Community. I'm your host, April McNamara, and today's guest is Rhonda from Roots and Relish. Oh, I just said that wrong. Relish and
If you've watched this video and you're interested in getting some of our wonderful meal kits, please go to our ordering site and enter the discount code HOME, and you will receive $15 off your order for watching and supporting Functional Living with April.